bell. This is Charleston month, and we do a bunch of kind of Charleston stuff. So you have to do this the whole time, and it's on even beats. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Practice this a bunch because everything else can connect to that, including Charleston pacing. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we had some kind of routinettes, some little combos. Here's the first one. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You want to do this whole thing? It's like 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But if the arms mess up your feet, don't worry about it. Second one was with scarecrow. So it was 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we learned some cowtails. We talked about how you always prep it with the same kind of up. So it's 8, 1, 5. Woo! So then you kind of go further and go all the way around. 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 8, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. That's cowtail ensemble. Little combo was this. I'll put a break on it, but we'll learn it next week in the very, very beginning. I showed it to you, just didn't spend time with it. So half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.